Hey boys and girls, welcome to tonight's flip video. Another geometry one. This one's going to be very short, possibly the shortest one we've done yet, but it's going to have some good information for you. Let's get on with the show. Today's concept is being congruent, or congruence, if you would like that as well. That would be, instead of the T, it would be a CE at the end. Basically, being congruent or congruence means that it is something that is the same size and the same shape, but it doesn't necessarily have to be in the same position. So my two polygons I've got here, 1 and 2, those are congruent. They are the same size. If we match them up with each other, you see that they are exactly the same size. One kind of disappears. And they are the same shape. They're both parallelograms. Possibly also rhombi, if I measured it correctly. Now, even if I were to have this one, let's see if I can get it to do it. Sometimes I can get this. There we go. Now, even if I were to rotate it, they are still congruent. I have not changed the shape. It changed slightly when I moved it, but for the sake of this, we're going to say it didn't change. It's still congruent. They're still the same size. They're still the same shape. They're different positions. This one is more up and down, whereas this one's side to side. Still congruent though. Let's move on. So, I'd like you to kind of figure out which one of these is congruent. It's pretty straightforward. This is our original one. Is the top one or the bottom one congruent? Or you could even say neither of them, or you could say both are congruent. Alright, so this one is very clearly not congruent because it is much smaller than the other one. This one, however, is congruent because it's slightly rotated, but it's still the same size and still about the same shape. So what I'd like you to do for your do-at-home problem, bring to school, here is my original arrow, and I've got 3 different ones, A, B, and C. I want you to figure out which one is congruent, bring it back to school, and I'll see you tomorrow.